How to make money on Snapchat. Snapchat is a social media platform that has been around since 2011. The app has become a go-to platform for many people, especially the younger generation, who use it to share their daily activities, interact with friends and celebrities, and stay updated on trends. However, not many people know that they can also make money on Snapchat. How to make money on Snapchat. 1. Open a Snapchat account. Creating a Snapchat account is free and easy. When setting up your account, make sure to choose a catchy username, profile picture, and bio that accurately represents your brand or persona. Once you have a Snapchat account, you can now focus on building a strong and engaged following by consistently posting high-quality content and engaging with your audience. 2. Build your audience. To build your audience, you have to focus on creating high-quality content that resonates with your target audience. Post regularly and consistently, and use relevant hashtags to increase your visibility and reach. Engage with your followers by responding to their messages, comments, and snaps, and create a sense of community around your brand or persona. You can also collaborate with other Snapchat users in your niche, participate in challenges and trends, and use Snapchat's features like lenses and filters to make your content more engaging and shareable. 3. Create and sell your products. As of the first quarter of 2023, Snapchat had a daily active user of over 380 million worldwide, making it an excellent platform to promote and sell your products. You can create your products such as clothing, jewelry, or other personalized items, and promote them. You can also leverage Snapchat's Shopify integration, which allows you to sell your products directly on Snapchat. 4. Sponsored content. If you have a large following on Snapchat, brands may approach you to promote their products or services. This means that you'll get paid to create content featuring the brand's products or services, and you'll share it with your followers. Brands are always looking for influencers who can create content that feels authentic and genuine. You can reach out to brands directly, or they may approach you if they think you're a good fit for their product. 5. Affiliate marketing. You can promote other people's products or services on your Snapchat account and earn a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. To do this, you'll need to sign up for an affiliate program and get your unique referral link. When promoting products or services, you'll need to disclose that it's an affiliate link, so your followers know that you'll earn a commission if they purchase through the link. Also, ensure that you verify every link you post to avoid your followers falling prey to scammers. 6. Premium content. If you have a loyal following on Snapchat, you can create premium content that your followers can access for a fee. This can include exclusive content, behind-the-scenes access, or personalized shoutouts. You can set up a payment system using third-party platforms. 7. Snapchat takeovers. A Snapchat takeover is when a brand or individual allows a popular influencer to take over their Snapchat account for a specified period and post content to their followers. This can be a great way to gain exposure and grow your following on Snapchat. Brands or other influencers may approach you for a Snapchat takeover. How many views do you need to get paid on Snapchat? Snapchat doesn't have a specific requirement for the number of views or followers you need to get paid on the platform. The amount you earn depends on your engagement rate, niche, and the type of content you create. Does Snapchat pay you for filters? Snapchat doesn't pay users for creating filters directly, but they offer a program called Community Filters that allows users to create and submit their filters for free. These filters can be location-based, and anyone within that area can use them. If your filter is approved, it will be available for anyone to use in that location, and you'll receive a Snapchat GeoFilter sticker as recognition for your contribution. There are many ways to make money on Snapchat. Whether it's through creating and selling your products, being an influencer, or brand collaborations, the key is to create engaging content that resonates with your followers. As a beginner, it may take time before you start making money, so it is important that you have other streams of income while you are at it. How to make money on YouTube without making videos.